Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial, I'm going to take you one-on-one on how to appeal on a PayPal dispute that has been completed. So I happened to receive an email where the client where the client to informed me that they had ruled in favor for the client. So they were saying that we completed our review of this case and decided in favor of the buyer, but the buyer stated they never received the item and proof of delivery could not be verified. So what happened is that I delivered a service to the client. The client sent me cash via family and friends, and they went ahead to dispute. PayPal, they were calling him the buyer, but basically, if you send cash via family and friends, it is not recognized. The only way that for you to be able to be protected by seller buyer option is if you send an invoice. You say after sending an invoice to your buyer, and again in case the buyer pays goods via goods and services, because they will be charged. So what happened, I can see I'm trying to track down the transaction. This is the transaction that has been reversed. It was around 480 US dollars. So you can see that they paid me under family and friends, and PayPal went ahead to make the ruling in their favor. So I'll come and dispute this transaction. So what I'll do, we can see it, they have already reversed that transaction. I'll come here and view the case details. Once I view the case details, I'll be able to see the case has been closed. The item was closed by the buyer in favor as soon as the delivery, as the proof of delivery you provided was invalid. So I'll come here and say appeal for the outcome. For an appeal, you can find you can find information all before 13th November this time. So what I'll say we would like to I would like to understand the reason for this dispute. The buyer has already been refunded and I can provide. Yeah, I don't have tracking information that I can provide. Then the buyer has been refunded and I provided proof of the previous funds. So why did you issue the refund? I issued the refund via PayPal. I issued not through PayPal. So I'll come and copy paste my whole storyline here. So I'll come and copy paste my everything here. I think it has fitted. So again, I'll try to browse one or two files, showing that I was able to pay this guy using other payment methods. So I'll come here and I'll be able to pick. So after you ensure you just write a detail of what is happening, because I'm trying to tell them that this case that the client had sent cash via family and friends. Family and friends is not protected by seller buyer, so there's no way PayPal can ruin the case against me and just issue the reverse the cash back to the owner. So I'll come here and I'll be able to click submit, and I think I will be done.